time for southeastern Denton County. At 8:25 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Highland Village, moving east at 15 miles per hour. This is a destructive storm for Flower Mound and Highland Village.
Oh no.
Hazard, baseball-size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts.
Baseball.
Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be severely injured. Expect shattered windows, extensive damage to roofs, siding, and vehicles. Locations impacted include Plano, Carrollton, Frisco, Denton, Lewisville, Flower Mound, Coppell, The Colony, Southlake, Corinth, Highland Village, Trophy Club, Lake Dallas, Lake Lewisville, Little Elm, Prosper, Celina, Argyle, Hickory Creek, and Double Oak.
Oh my God.
This is a dangerous storm. Prepare immediately for large destructive hail capable of producing significant damage. Move to a shelter inside a strong building and away from windows.
Oh my God.
A severe thunderstorm